Welcome to Life on Our Time. I'm Dwayne and I'm glad you stopped by our channel. I've watched a lot of videos about all things surrounding RVs and felt that we have so much to offer the community, and that means you. We are regular RVers with a thirst for adventure. As a professional engineer, I have an obsession for details that spills over into our camping life. Care, maintenance, and getting the most out of our truck and trailer is important to me. There's a lot to owning, maintaining, and operating all of this equipment, and we all need to be as safe as possible while out on the road. Family traveling with our RV has been amazing. We've been to a lot of great places and will continue to do so. The places we visit and the locations we stay, some are great and well, some not so much. Sharing our knowledge and experiences with you is what this channel is all about. Detailed and in-depth campground reviews are a fun way to show you what's out there. And of course, with all the camping and traveling, is the food. We also do walkthroughs and reviews of travel trailers, fifth wheels, park models and motorhomes, the good and the not so good of what the industry has to offer you. And if you're not having fun, then what's the point of all this? To make sure you have front row seats to campground reviews, truck and towing information, and all things RV and camping related, make sure you subscribe. And remember, it's free. Remember to turn on that bell to get notified of new videos, and you'll be on your way. My reviews are genuine and unbiased. My opinions are my own. Take care, and I hope to see you around the campfire.